Hi folks, welcome back to my channel and a video on this 2018 Fiat 500 Popstar in coral red that we are going to have a look at on Copart, bid on it, repair it and then ultimately sell it. So just going through the pictures here, checking the damage. So damage to the bonnet, you can see in this picture the engine's running, there's no other lights on. Damage to the bonnet, to the front bumper but quite high up. No sort of other obvious damage, possibly to the offside headlamp. Spares present, or rather the tyre inflator's present. So we're kind of aiming to go for around about a £2,000 mark, so this just shows you the fees that are involved on a £2,000 hammer price, so 2574, and then this is me bidding. So I'm hoping to go round about £2,000 for this car. As you can see, 1800 were the winning bidder. Bonus time, which is just an absolute carry on with Copart. It's time added on, allowing other people to bid. So we're winning at £1,800. Adding another bonus time, allowing other people to have a bid against you. Are we going to get it for £1,800? Fingers crossed. Nope. Someone's outbid us £1,850, straight back in at £1,900. Are we getting this car for £1,900? Bonus time again. It's getting close to our limit of 2,000. Fingers crossed. Bonus time again. Are we getting this car or are we not? Fingers crossed. And we're the winning bidder at £1,900 plus fees plus delivery. I'll take you through the figures at the end. So just a walk round on the car once it arrived from Copart. So you can see it's actually quite a nice clean shiny car, and I really like that coral red. It's a sort of pinky red colour. It's really nice. It's an 18 plate, so it's got facelifted tail lights. Just looks a bit more modern than some of the older ones, although there's not a whole lot wrong with the older ones. Alloy wheels, and then we can see the damage here. So we've got a damaged bonnet which will need to be replaced, damage to the front bumper which will need to be replaced, and then obviously there'll be a lot of damage in behind the front bumper. We'll get that removed and get a look to see exactly what's going on and make a list of what we need. You'll see under the bonnet the front panel's all bent, so that'll definitely need replaced. And I would imagine radiator, condenser, all the sort of typical front end parts that go when they're in a front end impact. You can buy replacement lugs for the headlights, so sometimes the headlights are repairable, so we'll just make a judgment once we've got it stripped. And then just having a look inside, no airbags off, no seat airbags, no steering wheel airbag, and this car had 40,000 miles. Starts and drives, really quite a nice car. That's a pregnancy test on the passenger seat, which at 51 years old I don't think I need. So straight to the bin with that one. But nice car all round, really like it, fresh, really like that colour on Fiat's, nice thing, and a relatively straightforward repair. So that's the damaged bumper stripped off, and you can see what we're looking at. So front bumper reinforcers damaged, aircon condensers damaged, radiator will definitely be damaged, the front panel's damaged, and potentially maybe a bit of chassis leg damage. We'll need to get this all stripped off and check the chassis legs and check that if they're damaged. The lower reinforcers look straight, and you can see here I've started to repair the front wings where the headlights have caught it, and at this point I've sectioned in a small bit of chassis leg. It was literally like the last 2 inches of the leg was damaged. It's much easier just to cut that little section off and graft in a replacement section off another car. Sorry I didn't take footage of this part, I just kind of got carried away with the job and but you can see I've cut the old one off, grafted the new one on, and you would never know that it had been welded. It's been painted and cavity waxed for longevity, so as good as new, 100% as good as new. That's all the damage stripped off this car. There's no other damage to worry about. We'll repair the wings. They're almost sort of hammered up and metal finished at that stage and looking like new. This is the car now in the booth, and you can see the repairs are all in primer. It's all masked up and we're ready to go get it painted. And then that's us on to it's been painted and looking nice and shiny, nice and straight, making it into a really nice looking car. And again, I really like that colour. It's really quite nice on a Fiat 500. And then I didn't take footage of the painting the bumper or the bonnet, but this is me at the stage where I've put the front panel on, radiator on, condenser on, new reinforcer, headlights, one of them's been replaced, one of them's been repaired, wings are all painted and straight and looking good, bonnet's on at this stage, and we're really just sort of working through the build-up process. And then this is just a still image of the bumper on, bonnet on, getting everything lined up, brand new number plate, up on the ramp, pretty much finished at this point, and then going through the figures. So the car was 2426 out of Copart, delivery was 70, leg end 2499, bonnet 138, front bumper 132, daytime running lights 150, offside headlamp 96, aircon condenser 65, log kit £13.60, aircon recharge 40, MOT 35, valet 30, badge 40, oil filter, etc. Running total on that was £3,301. If I sell this car for 4495, then I get a pre-tax profit of 1193. And then this is the car, completely finished, final walk around. As you can see, looking good, nice and shiny, really nice car. Listen, thanks for watching. We've got a GoPro camera now, so the next video will have more sort of painting footage and repair footage, and then hopefully we can sort of do a lot more detailed videos now that I've sort of got a feel for how to do it and whether it's going to fit with the other work that I do. I hope you liked this one. I hope you found it informative. Sorry it's a bit rushed. Please look out for the next video. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.